Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to transfer money from Wise to PayMaya. So if you want to do this, we go right here to our home tab where we select send. Then right here we search for the Philippines. There we go. And then we fill in right here, for example, 100 euros. Then we do right here add recipient, and then we click here on add e-wallet. Then we select right here someone else, and then from now we can fill in right here the email address of our account or maybe someone else's account. Fill in right here the full name of the account holder, and then right here we can select the wallet provider. This is the most important part. So right now, if you select right here PayMaya, the only thing that we need to do right now is the recipient's e-wallet number and then fill in the city. Then we can do right here continue, and then he will send you to a review where you need to do all these steps, and then after that you can pay. So this is how you can transfer money from Wise to PayMaya. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.